How many words with or without meaning, each of three vowels and two consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word involute? Now, let's first count the number of vowels and consonants in the given word. Now, in involute, we have I, O, U, and E, that is four vowels. And consonants, we have N, V, L, T, that is again four. So we have four vowels and four consonants, and out of those four vowels, we need to select three vowels, and out of those four consonants, we need to select two consonants. So let's select them first. So 4C3 and is there? So multiplication into 4C2. So 4C3, that means we are selecting three vowels, and 4C2, that means we are selecting consonants. Now, this is just selection. We want to find out how many words. That means order is important. That means we need to convert this into permutation, number of arrangements. So now we have selected a total of five alphabets, three vowels and two consonants. So we can arrange them in five factorial ways. So therefore, now we can solve this. So 4C3, that means 4. 4C2, that is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 5 factorial, that is 120. Solving this, we get the answer as 2880. So answer will be option C.